Hi everyone, welcome back to Kaiser Cruiser, and this is Ahmed Kesser. We're going to be starting work on this. I think it's an early or mid 70s FJ40. I'm not sure. We need to check up actually. It's the original soft top with the split screen, which is really cool actually. This vehicle's seen a lot of work, a lot of changes. Not so much in the body, but yeah, a little bit in the interior and the engine and transmission and the suspension. So it's really moved away from its stock position, and our plan is to bring it back to its stock position as close as possible. Currently it's running Toyota petrol engine, but not one of the original ones like the 3F or the 2F. This thing's got more modern engine. Again, cars just come to us, so I need to find out. I think it's a 2JZ or something. I'm not, but I could be wrong. Need to check up on that. So our plan is to take this out along with the transmission and either go for one of the 2Fs or the 3Fs, or maybe for a 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine which came either in the 60 series or the 80 series. That is something we need to decide, but yeah, we'll probably be going along those lines. Other than that, the vehicle is straight. It's not gotten any major damage. The chassis is straight, but yeah, it needs a proper frame-off restoration. At some stage someone has altered the mounting positions for the shocks. Added these sway bars. So we're going to take this back to stock, remove all of this stuff. There seems to be a lot of filling in some of the body sections, like the front grille, the hood, and in the fenders. And there seems to be a fair amount of rust here on the doors and the tub. So yeah, I'm going to clean all of this up, clean up the frame, and make it back to what it was. Really nice. We'll retain it as a soft top, so that's the way the owner wants it. Let's have a look inside. So this is the one which used to have the old steel doors, which I really like actually. The good thing is all of the stuff is there, so a lot of the stuff can be restored. It's not been misplaced. It's got the nice quarter glass windows. And the best part that I like about this vehicle are the split screens. These are going to turn out really nice once they are restored. It's got the classic dashboard. And again, all these things are still there. The knobs and switches and stuff are still original actually. Seating's been changed and modified, so we'll take that back to the original classic seating. This transmission will go back to something like an H55, 5-speed manual transmission which came with the 3F and some of the other Toyota models. What else? Restore the soft top, make it nice. So yeah, I mean, otherwise the vehicle is, I've seen far worse vehicles of this vintage. This one's still not that bad, but it needs a proper restoration. It's been neglected for far too long. So yeah, this is just part one of this. We're going to start stripping it down now and starting work on it. And as I go along, I'll keep posting and covering the full restoration. So just wanted to show you what it's like right now, and eventually once it's done, we'll do a full video of the entire restoration process. So even things like these original emblems are still there. The arms for the mirrors, they're still there. In fact, even the original wipers are still there. So yeah, this is going to be a fun restoration, and we're hoping it's going to turn out really, really nice. And we'll keep everybody updated. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.